fresh, clean, newly renovated bungalow with all new paint, brand new vinyl plank floors and light fixtures. Open floor plan with a spacious living room and a large kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom create a great space for a cozy, comfortable life. The front porch, carport and a storage room behind the carport are added bonuses to this home. A huge backyard is ideal for enjoying the outdoors and entertaining your guests. Great potential to buy and hold as a rental investment. Wonderful opportunity conveniently located just minutes from everything downtown Savannah has to offer. One member of LLC acting as a seller is a GA licensed realtor.